Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do a bloom. I haven't done much of these lately. I've been sticking to swipes mostly. I just find them easier and I enjoy them more. Less frustrating, but sometimes they are frustrating. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to do a bloom today. I'm going to start with a Sherwin-Williams Color to Go pillow, and it's a tinted, it's already tinted, it's a mist tint. It is a very dark brown color, so we'll try this. I haven't used this color yet as a base. See how it goes. Okay, I'm back and I just did a fail. So I wiped it all off and I'm going to start over again. I'm not using the brown pillow. I'm going to be using black. I didn't like how it looked. And I'm not going to put it in the video because it'll make it too long. So I'm just going to start over. And I took a few of the colors out. I didn't like the colors that I used. I didn't think they looked good together, especially with the brown base. I had fairy floss and I had gold and copper and with green blue, and that didn't really, for me that didn't work. So I'm just going to use Whitehaven and Shimmer, TLP, and then I'm going to be using Pebeo Green Blue. That's it, and then the black. See how that turns out. And I had too much paint on my tile, so I'm going to just have this much paint. That's it. Hopefully it's enough. Looks like I hope I have enough. I feel like I need to put more paint on. Oh. No, because I'm putting paint on, so. Alright, I'm going to start with Whitehaven Interference, TLP, this little piggy. Then I'm going to use my green blue Pebeo iridescent green blue. And then I'm going to be using shimmer on top. It's also TLP interference. The best way to showcase the interference pigments is over black. And a little bit more of the green blue. Okay. I'm going to start off with White Cell Activator. They're both Amsterdam. The recipe for my cell activator is in my description. And then black, Amsterdam. I use gesso, American FLOETROL, and ZINSSER latex extender mixed together. Could be too much black, but we'll see. Going to be using this little blower thing. Blew too hard over here. Okay, so what I'm waiting now for is for the center to come back level with the rest of the paint on the tile. Because I blew down, I indented the paint in the middle, and it might not spin properly if I don't wait a little bit. I'm going to do some modifying. All right, I think it's ready to spin. Start off a little slow, just to see how things look. For some reason I didn't get enough cells, but it still might look nice. Just making sure it flows over the edges. There's some cells over on this side here, but that's okay. That's okay, I don't mind. I'm just moving it down a little bit, get some of this bottom part here that I'm not fussy on off. And what you do is you spin or tilt until the paint doesn't move anymore on the canvas or on the tile. And that way you know for sure it won't crack. But I always cover my paintings anyway, just to be on the safe side, in case I do leave a tiny bit on there, too much on there. I see something over here, I just don't know what it is. It's moving. So I'm going to spin again. Sometimes if I'm not fussy on it, if I think it needs more, I just do some more modifying to it after I finish spinning. So I'm just going to just add some more interest to it. I'm just having a last look to see if I need to do any more modifying. Well, sometimes you can get carried away. Don't really like this here. I think that's good enough. Okay. I'm going to bring it up for a close-up. Okay, here's the close-up. I see quite a bit of sparkle on here. I don't know if you can see that on camera.